Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable daily reminder on Focus To Do. Missing tasks but you forgot to check your to-do list? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to enable daily reminders in Focus To Do plus a few extra tips to make sure they actually work. So open your Focus To Do app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the settings icon and tap it, or tap your profile icon at the top left. Now, inside settings, scroll down until you find daily reminder. You'll notice the toggle is currently off, so tap the toggle to enable it. Just like that. Once it turns red, that means daily reminders are now active. Now the app will remind you to check your tasks every day. So tap on daily reminder again if available to adjust the time. Then you can choose a time when you're most likely to plan your day, like morning or evening. So pick a time when you're usually on your phone so you don't ignore it. If you don't receive reminders, here's what to check. Go to your phone settings, scroll down to notifications. Now look for Focus To Do app and make sure notifications are enabled. Also check Do Not Disturb is off. Battery saver is not restricting the app. These can silently block reminders. And that's it. You've successfully enabled daily reminders in Focus To Do. And now you'll never forget your task again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.